Hi friends, I welcome you all my YouTube channel Prasad Maths Academy. Today we are going to learn about laws of exponents of class 8. So before we start with laws of exponents, we can see how we can write what we will understand about exponents, right? For example, if you written a number 10 raised to 24. So here we call 10 raised to 24. Here we call this 10 as base, and this 24 we call it as exponent. Okay, yes, right. So what is the meaning of 10 raised to 24 or 2 raised to 4? Yes, so 2 raised to 4 example, we'll see 2 raised to 4 means what. So 2 we are going to write 4 times, right? So that is about meaning of 2 raised to 4, right? So 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2, 16. So 2 raised to 4 means it is 16, means we are going to write 2 4 times we are going to multiply, right? So that is what 2 raised to 4. Same way we can write 2 raised to 3 means we are going to multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. So that is 8. So this power means how many times you are going to write the base number. Okay, so that is power indicates you are going to write 2 base, you are going to write 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So this is about laws of this is about the exponents. So now we will see one by one which are the laws we are going to see and how we are going to solve the sums based on laws of exponents. Okay, yes. So before we start with chapter, so first we'll learn about exponents, that is laws of exponents. So uh, for anything raised to 0, okay, a raised to 0, if you take number a raised to 0, it means that it is equal to 1, means anything raised to 0 is 1, means for example if you take 2 raised to 0, it is equal to 1. Anything power raised to 0, it is always 1. Similarly 3 raised to 0, it is also equal to 1. So this is a first law you are going to learn. Anything raised to 0, it is 1. Okay, next is second law is a raised to 1, means a how many times you are going to write? Only one times. A raised to 1, it is a. Okay, 3 raised to 1 means it is 3, means 3 you are going to write one time, so that is 3 raised to 1 is 3. Next you can also have which is in the form of root a. So root means always you can see we can write root a as a raised to 1 upon 2, means if nothing is there under this root here, it always have a 2. So then you can write root a equal to square root of a is equal to a raised to 1 upon 2, means we can remove root by power as 1 upon 2. So if it is cube root of a, we can write it as a raised to 1 upon 3. So we can write a raised to 1 upon 3. If it is root of 4, we can write it is as 4 is to 1 upon 2. If nothing is there here, then you can take it as it always represents there is a 2, but we will not write that one. So it is 4 is to 1 upon 2. So that is 4 is to 1 upon 2. It is 4. We can write it as 2 into 2, that is 2 square. So raised to power 1 by 2. So here it will come 2 raised to 1, that is 2. Okay. So square root of a is a raised to 1 upon 2. So next law it is power of a raised to a negative number, right? So a raised to minus m. So whenever it is power is negative, so we can how we can convert into positive, that is we have to reciprocal the given number, that is a raised to 1 upon a raised to m. So this is the when power is negative, we can convert it by taking its reciprocal and making power as positive, okay, raised to m. So similarly, if it is 2 raised to minus 3, it is there, we can write it as positive number, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 3. Okay, yes, in this way we can write which is power is negative, we can write in positive, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 3. In this way we can write a power of a negative number. Power of a power, which is power is negative. Okay. So next law it is when uh, a upon b whole to m. So next law it is a upon b whole to m. So when number in the fraction and its power is m, so that time you have to take this power will m will come for each term, that is a raised to m upon b raised to m. This is a laws of exponents. Okay, these are the laws which we are going to use in the while solving the sum. Okay, example you can see 5 raised to 5 upon 6 whole raised to 2. So this way I can write it as a square will come for each term. Okay, that is 5 square upon 6 square. 5 square we can write it as 25, then 6 square we can write 36. So this is the we can write in this way. Okay, next law it is a raised to m into b raised to m. So we can write it even bases are different and power is same, that time we can write it as ab whole raised to m. Okay, so for example 2 raised to m into 3 raised to m, if it is there like this, then we can write it as 2 into 3 whole raised to m. Common power we can write commonly once, so it is 6 raised to m it will become. Okay, in this way we can write the which is power a raised to m into b raised to m. Next one, that is next one is a raised to m upon a raised to n. So this we can write when bases are same and power is different and they are dividing quotient a raised to m upon a raised to n, that we can write a raised to m minus n. Okay, you can see the example also it is given 4 raised to 5 upon 4 raised to 3, we can write it as 4 raised to 5 minus 3. So it is equal to 4 raised to 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 4 square it will become. Okay. So next one, that is a raised to m whole raised to n. So this we can write it as a raised to m into n. Okay. So they will multiply. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Next law it is when bases are different, that is already we discussed this one here. Okay, yes, a raised to n into b raised to n is equal to a into b whole raised to n. Then so these are the again which laws are there under the root. Yes, so how they written, that is a raised to m upon n is equal to nth root of a raised to m. Yes, already you seen how we can write the root of, that is you can see a raised to m, a raised to m, a raised to m upon n. Yes, so this we can write a raised to 1 upon n whole raised to m. In this way we can write, because m into 1, this it will be m upon n only. So a raised to 1 upon n we can write it as, we can write it as nth root of, yes, sorry, we can write it as, this one will write in another way, that is also correct, but we can write in other way, that is a raised to m whole raised to n, 1 upon n. So 1 upon n, you know how we can write, it is nth root of, so under the square root what is there, it is a raised to m. So in this way we can write nth root of a raised to m. Okay, so a raised to m upon n we can write it as nth root of a raised to m. Okay, so that is the next law. Okay, so next one is already we discussed when power is negative we can write it as, how we can write the positive, it is we can reciprocal the base. A upon b whole raised to minus n is equal to b upon a whole raised to n. So in this way we can write, right? Next one, it is also same, the power is negative, so it is written a raised to minus n upon b raised to minus m equal to, so they reciprocal each term, so that will be b raised to m upon a raised to n. So in this way you can learn the laws of exponents. So only few laws of exponents you have to remember, and other one they are used nth root of a, that will be you can utilize, and negative number they are little bit complicated, but you can remember and you can apply. Okay, So these are the sum of laws of exponents which you can use. Okay, once again I will revise that which are the laws you learned. Okay, so yes, that is first law you seen, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. You can write it as a raised to m plus n. So next second law, a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And third law, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. And next one is a raised to m and b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m. Yes, and next one is a upon b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Then next one is using a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Yes, and last one you seen about the nth root. This nth root of a we can write it as a raised to 1 upon n. And also you seen a raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So these are the laws which you seen, and you have to remember these laws while solving the laws of exponents. Okay, this is 6th, this one is 7th, and this one is 8th. Okay, these are the laws which you require to when you are solving the sums. Okay, so now we are going to see exercise of class 8 of chapter number 10, that is laws of exponents, of question number exercise 10.1 of question number 1. Yes, so first question, that is evaluate. In that first one it is 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, so 3 raised to minus 2. So you know already seen, that is laws of exponents. When power is negative, you are going to write it is, that is a raised to minus m equal to, we are going to write 1 upon a raised to m, reciprocal, right? So same way we can write this is 1 upon 3 square. So 1 upon 3 square means what it is? It is 3 into 3. So you are going to multiply 2 times. So it is 1 upon 9. So this is the answer of 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 upon 9. In this way you are going to solve the question number 1. Now second one, okay, so minus 4 raised to minus 2. Yes, this again same law you can apply here, right? So again it is power is negative, so base is also negative, but base will not affect anything, just you are going to write base in the denominator. Okay, power is negative, how we can convert power as if it is negative? By reciprocaling. Okay, by reciprocal. So minus 4 raised to 2, so this will give you 1 upon, so here power is 2, so minus 4 how many times you are going to write? 2 times. Minus 4 into minus 4, so this will give you 1 upon minus into minus plus, that is 4 4 the 16, 1 upon 16. This is the answer of minus 4 raised to minus 2. Okay, yes. Next one it is, that is half raised to minus 5. Third question. Okay, yes, third question we will do it here. So that is 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 5. So you already seen when power is negative and it is in the fraction, you have to reciprocal by to convert into positive, to make positive as a power. Okay, so 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 5 is there, so we are going to write 2 upon 1 whole raised to 5. Yes, so this will become power is positive. Now so it will be a upon b whole raised to m, so we can write 2 raised to 5 upon 1 raised to 5. So this will give, so 2 raised to 5 means you are going to multiply 2 how many times? 5 times. Yes, the denominator 1 raised to 5 means you are going to multiply 1 5 times. Yes, so this will give you 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16, 16 2s are 32, 32. At denominator 1 into 1 into 1, 5 times it is 1. So therefore answer is 32. Okay. So 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 5, answer is 32. In this way you can solve the question number 1. Okay. I hope you understood this question number 1. So same way, now we'll go for question number 2. Question number 2, it is simplify and express the result in a power notation with a positive exponents. Here we have to simplify and you have to express in power as positive. Okay, no need to complete the answer, only you have to express the power in exponent, positive exponent. Okay, yes. So question number 1, so that is minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Yes, so this is the question. Now you know that already one laws of exponents you see, a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this law you are going to apply here. So that is minus 4 whole raised to 5 and minus 4 whole raised to 8. So this we can write minus 4 common base you are going to write, and in power you are going to subtract 5 minus 8. So this will give you answer minus 4 whole raised to 5 minus 8, it is minus 3. So now minus 4. So now power is negative. So we have to express the answer in positive exponent. Okay. So already you seen now when power is negative, how we can write? By reciprocating the number. Okay. Minus 4 raised to 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. So here power comes positive exponent. So this is the question number first. Okay. Yes. Second, it is 1 upon 2 square 2 cube whole raised to 2. So how we can simplify this one? Yes, that is same law you are going to apply. That is law is a by b whole raised to m. Yes, so this one you can write a raised to m upon b raised to m. So this 2 it is there. It will go for each for numerator and denominator, right? So that is here 1 square and here already 2 cube is there. So this square it will come. Okay, 2 cube whole square. Okay, so now 1 square means it is 1 and 2 raised to 3. Okay, so now again one more law you are already seen, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So this we are going to apply in the denominator. So that is 2 raised to 3 into 2. So this will be answer 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So this is the power positive is power is positive. This is answer 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Okay. In this way you can complete the second question. Next question, that is question number 3. Yes, we'll do here question number 3, that is minus 3 raised to 4 raised into 5 by 3 whole raised to 4. Yes, so again we have to express power as positive exponent. Already power is positive exponent, but we have to simplify. So minus 3 raised to 4, we can write it as minus 3. How many times 4 you are going to write? 4 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 and into 5 raised to 4 we can write it as 5 4 times. Yes, divided by 3 raised to 4. So this we can write 3 into 3 into 3. So here you can see the sign. Okay, this one term you can see minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, plus in minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So this sign will becomes positive. So we will not write that sign now. I will write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 So this will be equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 4 times, and denominator it is 3 into 3 into 3. So here these 3's all are in numerator and here it is denominator, so we can divide this 3. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 3, all 3 get cancelled with this 3. Okay, so now remaining is what answer. So 5 how many times remaining? 4 times. Okay, yes, so this we can write it as 5 raised to 4. So this is the answer for question number 4. Third, so in this way you can, I hope you can, remaining sums you can do it. Yes, but we will take one more sum, which is question number fourth one. Then fifth you can try this sum, question number 5. Okay, question number 5 you have to try. Yes, try this question. Okay, so question number 4 we are going to do now. We are going to do, so that is 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 whole raised to into 4 bracket into 3 raised to minus 5. First we will solve this bracket, then we will multiply with 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, yes, how we can do this one? Yes, we'll move this side, so we'll continue with here. So first one, it is a raised to m upon a raised to n, so we can write a raised to m minus n, that is 3 raised to minus 7 m, it is m, now minus, now n is, it is minus 10. Okay, into 3 raised to minus 5. Now bracket, this bracket we solve, this one comes in this way. So now it is equal to 3 raised to minus 7, this is minus into minus plus, this is 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So now answer is 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10, it is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. So now it is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n, that is m plus n, a raised to m plus n. So 3 raised to 3 plus of minus 5. So this is equal to plus into minus minus 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. So now we can write, if power is negative, we can convert into positive by reciprocaling the exponent. So it is 1 upon 3 square. So in this way you can answer the question number 4th one. Okay, what we done first, that is a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n we applied here, and here that is m minus n we simplified, we got minus 7 plus 10, that is plus, it is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Here we applied a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So it is 3 minus 5, that is 3 raised to minus 2, that we reciprocal. So we got the positive exponent. Yes, okay, yes, in this way you can answer the question number 4. Now question number, so question number 2 is, I hope you understood. So question number 5 you can do yourself and get the answer. Okay, yes. So next question number 3, find the value of in that question number 1. Okay, yes, question number 1, it is bracket 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 square into 2 square. So how we can do this sum? Yes, so again you have to remember all the laws of exponents so that it is easy to solve. Yes, so wherever you can apply the laws, you can apply and get simplified. Yes, so here what we'll do, you know that anything raised to 0 it is equal to 1. So same way 3 raised to 0 it is equal to 1, and 4 raised to 1 minus 1 it is there, so we can write it as positive by reciprocaling 4 raised to 1. So bracket complete into 2 square. 2 square means it is 2 into 2, that is 4. Yes, now again 1 plus, this is 1 upon 4 raised to 1 means it is 4 into 4. Now this one you have to take a LCM. Yes, so it is denominator LCM is 4. So here denominator 1 it is there, so we have to multiply by 4 here and here 4. So numerator it will become 4 and plus 1 into 4. So now answer comes that is this 4 and there 4 cancel because it is in denominator and it is multiplied here. Numerator and denominator we can cancel. So now, or you can write that is 5 by 4 10 into 4. So now you can cancel, answer is 5. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 1. Yes, same way we can question number 2 you can do here. Question number 2, same question, right? So bracket 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Yes, how we can simplify this one again? So 2 raised to minus 1 it is there, so we can write in a positive 1 upon 2 raised to 1. So 1 upon 2 raised to 1 means it is 2 only, right? So it is 4 raised to minus 1 is there, you can write 4 raised to 1, that is 4 raised to 1 means 4. So it is divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Yes, 2 raised to minus 2. Okay, 2 raised to minus 2 will write as it is. Now time being, next step we will simplify that one. So this will be 1 upon 8. Okay, yes, 1 upon 8 then divided by 2 raised to minus 2. So 2 raised to minus 2, can we write it as positive number? Yes, so 1 upon 2 square. So now it is 1 upon 8 divided by, yes, divided by 1 upon 2 square, it is 1 by 4. So how we can simplify now? 1 by 8. So division we are going to convert into multiplication, this symbol. So we have to reciprocal the second term, that is 4 upon 1. So now it is 4 into 1 4 and 8 into 1 8. So now answer comes 1 upon 2. So this is the answer for question number 2. So in this way you can simplify the question number 2. Second in 3 in that second one. So now question number 3. Yes, how we can simplify this one? So all are with the negative exponents. Can we convert into positive exponents? Yes, how we can convert? So by reciprocaling the fraction, right? So question already written, I will not write the question directly, I will write second step here. So that is 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 2, can we write it as positive exponent? So that is 2 by 1 whole raised to 2. Yes, correct. So same way here, 1 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2, we can write 3 upon 1 whole raised to 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 2, we can write it as 4 upon 1 whole raised to 2. So now, so it is you can see now a upon b whole square, right? So a square upon b square. So a square will write 2 square at denominator 1 square plus again 3 square upon 1 square plus 4 square upon 1 square. So now you get it as 2 square is 4 and denominator 1. So it is again 3 square means it is 9. Okay, 3 square it is 9. So it is 9 upon 1 plus 4 square, it is 16 upon 1. So now 4 plus 9 plus 16. So answer is 16 plus 9, it is 25. 25 plus 4, it is 29. So answer is 29. So in this way you can write the question answer for question number 3. Okay, yes. Next question. Yes, so question number 4, that is in third, it is question number 4. Yes, so you know for question number 4, for this how we can simplify, you know already a raised to 0 equal to what? It is all 1. So whatever is there here in the bracket, 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1, 5 raised to minus 1, 4 raised to 0 it is there. So whatever you simplify, that is by making positive exponent, but afterwards always it will come with the bracket 4 raised to 0, right? So a raised to 0 is always equal to what? So answer is 1. You solve or you do whatever simplify, but final answer will be 1. Okay, so that will be the answer. So next question number 5. Yes, question number 5, minus 2 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2 whole bracket 2. Okay, so now first we'll solve the where power is negative is there. We'll do this calculation first here, then we can go with the last exponent. Okay, power. So now we'll write this square bracket as it is, then here minus 2 upon 3 equals to minus 2 is there. So we can, how we can make positive exponent? By reciprocaling, right? So it will be here 3 upon minus 2 whole square. So again 4 raised to 2. So now next is so again power as it is. Now you know that a raised to m 4 raised to n is equal to what? That is, so minus will take in numerator. So minus 3 upon 2 4 raised to 2 into 2. This we can multiply. It is 4. A raised to m into a raised to m whole raised to n. This law we are going to apply here. A raised to m into n. Okay. So minus 3 upon 2 whole raised to 4. So this we can simplify. So power is positive, right? So here power is positive, only we have to simplify. So base is minus 3 upon 2. So minus 3 upon 2, how many times you are going to write? 4 times. So minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. So this we can write. Here you multiply the denominator and multiply the numerator. So it will be positive. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3, 81, it is 16. So this is the answer for question number 5. Yes, in this way we can simplify the question number 5. Next question number 4th, in that first one. So we'll do one sum here, classwork in the online, and one more you can do for homework. Okay, yes, this one is a homework. Okay, simple questions are there. Just you have to convert a negative exponent as an exponent into positives, then you can simplify the answer. Okay, so here so first one, it is 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to, it is, I hope it is 3. Yes, so there is a mistake in the question. 2 raised to minus 4. So how we have to simplify this question? Yes, so yes, so what we will do, we will which power is negative is there, we will try to convert into positive exponents. For example, 8 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 4 by reciprocating the number. Okay, and other number you write it as it is. Okay, 5 raised to 3 will write it as it is, and this one 8 raised to minus 1 is there, so we can write 1 upon 8. Okay, reciprocal the base, and power also 1. Okay, and 2 raised to minus 4, again we have to reciprocal. So same way, a raised to minus m, how we written 1 upon a raised to m. Same way, if it is 1 upon a raised to minus m, we can write it as a raised to m. So same way, we'll apply 2 raised to minus 4, the second, this one. Okay, so 1 upon a raised to minus m, we can write it as a raised to m, that is 2 raised to 4. So now it is very easy to solve, that is 5 raised to 3, then this one 1 upon 8. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how many times it is 2? It is 4 times. So, and we can write 2 also, this 8 we can write it as, how many times? 2 into 2, 3 times. So this 3, all 3 cancel with this 3, all 3 times 2 it is cancelled with this 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So now answer becomes 5 raised to 3, it is 5 into 5 into 5 into, that is a 2 is here remaining 2. So it is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, it is 125 into 2. So answer it is 250. Okay, so this is the answer, final answer. Okay, yes, in this way you can simplify the sum. So wherever you can apply the, wherever you want you can apply, but just see is it applicable to while solving the sum. Just you have to compare with laws of exponents, and you have to apply the laws, right? Next, question number 5, it is find the, here it is given the find the value of m. Okay, just we'll check. There is a just question, there is a 5 raised to minus 3 and 5 raised to 5 it is. Okay, yes. So now here question is, so here we have to find the m. We have to find m in the question number 5. Okay, given question is 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Okay, yes, first we'll simplify this step so that afterwards we can get easily the value of m. Okay, yes. So you know that a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to what? A raised to m minus n. Yes, this is the law we are going to apply because bases are same. So now here 5 raised to m upon 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Yes. Next step it is 5 raised to m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now 5 raised to minus into minus, that is plus m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now when bases are same, then you can consider powers are equal. Consider powers are equal. Okay, so that you will get the value of m. So that is, here bases are same, so you can take m plus 3 equal to 5. That is m plus 3 equal to 5. Therefore m equal to 5 plus 3 we can transpose to the RHS, so it is minus 3. So m equal to, you will get answer as 2. Okay, this is the answer, m equal to 2. Yes, in this way you can simplify the value of m. If you want, you can verify, that is m equal to 2 you can put, so you will get the value, that is 5 will get it or what. Yes, so that we will get RHS or not. Yes, 5 raised to m equal to 2 we got, so divided by 5 raised to minus 3. So is it getting 5 raised to 5? Yes, we'll check. 5 raised to, you know, m minus n, 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is, we can write 2 minus of minus 3. So we'll get 5 raised to 2 plus 3. So we'll get it 5 raised to 5. So which is RHS. Yes, hence we can verify. Okay. So in this way also we can verify, just in 120 seconds we can do this and we can verify, so that it is better to do the verification so that you can confirm your answer. Okay, yes. Next question, we have 2 more questions are there. Yes, so question number 6 here, how we can simplify this is again evaluate. So simple questions, just you can apply step by step so that you can do the easily answer. Okay, so evaluate question number 1, that is 1 by 3 whole raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 1 whole raised to power minus 1. So you can see in the inside the bracket there is also with the power negative is there and whole raised to power negative is there. So before going for this power, you can first simplify this inside the bracket. Okay, so that is, you put the bracket as it is and power as also as it is. So 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1, we can write this one as 3 raised to 3 upon 1 4 raised to 1. Yes, so same way 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 1 is there, we can write 4 raised to 4 upon 1 whole raised to 1. Yes, so next it is bracket as it is, this is 3 minus this is 4 raised to minus 1. So now it is 3 minus 4, it is minus 1 whole raised to minus 1. So now how we can write this one, again power is negative, base will not matter if negative or positive, only you have to check power is negative. So minus 1, so now power is negative is there, right? So we have to reciprocal the number 1 upon minus 1 upon minus 1. Yes, 1 upon minus 1 whole raised to 1. So it is 1 upon minus 1. So answer is, So whenever denominator is negative is there, you have to write it in numerator, that is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 1 is minus 1 only. This is the answer. Okay. This is the question number 6 in that first one. The same way, question number 2, that is 6 in the question number 6 in the second one. So 5 by 8 whole raised to minus 7 into 8 raised to 8 upon 5 whole raised to minus 4. Yes. How we will solve this, students? Yes. Again, first our aim is you have to convert into positive exponent. Yes. By reciprocating the fraction. So it is 8 upon 5 whole raised to 7 we can write directly. Yes. Then this one 5 upon 8 whole raised to 4. Yes. Whole raised to 4. Yes. Now we can write this one, you can write 8 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 7 into now 5 raised to 4 now divided by 8 raised to 4. Now which are bases are same, so we can write together, that is 8 raised to 7 divided by 8 raised to 4 in the fraction way, and similarly 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. Okay. Yes. Now we can write bases are same, so we can write it as 8 raised to 7 minus 4. Correct. Similarly 5 raised to 4 minus 7. So this will give you 8 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4 minus 7. This minus 3. Okay. Yes. So 8 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 3. So this will be 8 raised to 3, 8 into 8 into 8 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. So you know that 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 8, it is 512 divided by this 125. Yes. So this is the final answer of the question number 6 in that second one. Okay. So just to check, 8 8 are 64. 64 into 8, it is 32. 48 plus 3, 551. 48 plus 3 is 512. Yes, correct. 8 cube, it is 512. So in this way, you can simplify the sums of question number 6. So last question of exercise 10.1, that is of class 8. So now last question, we are remaining with last question, that is simplify. Question number 7. So yes, here that first question is 25 t raised to minus 4. While writing the question, just you think how we can simplify, how we can collect the with the same base terms also, right? So this is 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. So where t is not equal to 0, because if t is equal to 0, the denominator comes 0. 0 raised to anything, it is not defined, so that is why it is given t is not equal to 0. So now how we have to simplify this one. So first step what I will do, that is 25, we can write it as 5 square. Yes, correct. So then next we can write, we'll write t raised to minus 4 as it is. Okay. Then next denominator 5 raised to 3 minus 3 also will write it as it is, and 10 we can write it as 5 into 2. Can I write? Yes. 10 instead of 10 we can write it as t raised to 10 we can write 5 into 2. So next remaining term t raised to minus 8. Okay. Yes. Next it is 5 square as it is divided by 5 raised to minus 3. Here 5 raised to 1. You can apply the laws of exponents. Minus 3 plus 1. So this 2 will be as it is, and this t, this remaining term t, we can write this t basis is same. So we can write a raised to m minus n. Yes. Minus 4 minus of minus 8. Okay. Yes. So now next step it is 5 square upon it is 5 raised to minus 2 up into 2 denominator, and in the numerator t raised to minus 4 minus of minus plus 8. Okay, so next we'll continue here. So next step it is 5 raised to 2 minus of minus 2, and here t raised to minus 4 plus 8, it is 4. Okay, so and 5 raised to minus 2 already we taken in the a raised to m minus n, and remains what, only 2. So now it is 5 raised to 2, this minus of minus plus this plus 2 plus 2, it is 4. So it is t raised to 4 upon 2. Okay, yes. Now so just multiply, that is 5 raised to 4 means what, it is 5 5 5 and last one more 5, then t raised to 4 we have to write it as it is, so divided by 2. So it is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 5, it is 625 upon 2, and sorry, it is 2, and last, that is remaining term t raised to 4 we are going to write as it is. So this is the final answer. We can stop here also, but we can, if you want, you can simplify till the final answer. Okay, this is the answer. In this way you can simplify. Same way, so last question, that is second in the question number 7. So 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125. So again here 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. Okay, yes. So wherever you can write a number, you can split and write, so that it is easy to, of course, you can simplify that one. So here 3 raised to minus 5, we'll write it as it is. So what we'll do, 3 raised to minus 5, we can write it as it is, that is 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5, we can write it as 5 raised to minus 5, directly I written, into 2 raised to minus 5. So 5 raised to 5 into 2, 4 raised to minus 5, that will come separately, 5 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5, and this one we can write 5 cube, 5 125 we can write 5 cube, divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5, we can write it as 6, we can write 2 into 3, so 2 raised to minus 5, then 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, in this way you can write the split and write the numbers. Now, so which are bases are same, you can combine them. Okay, which bases are same, so what we'll do, first 3. So 3 is there here, 3 raised to minus 5, and this 3 raised to minus 5, minus of minus 5, this is m minus n. Then next is 2, 2 raised to minus 5, it is there here, and one more, divided by 2 raised to minus 5, it is there. So m minus n we can apply here, minus of minus 5 into last 5 raised to 3 term, 5 terms, 5 raised to minus 5, this is in the multiply, a raised to m, a raised to n, m plus n, it is plus 3, and denominator 5 raised to minus 7, it is there. Okay, so it is minus of minus 7. So final answer you will get it as, it is 3 raised to minus 5 plus 5. Yes, then next it is 2 raised to minus 5 plus 5 into 5 raised to this one, minus 5 plus 3. Okay, just will check once again question, is it we written right or no. 10 raised to minus 5, we written 5 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5, correct. So 5 raised to minus 5, this is 5 cube. Okay, this 5 raised to minus 2, and minus into minus, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2, this is minus minus plus 7. Okay, so it is 3 raised to 0 and 2 raised to 0, minus 5 plus 5 0, 2 raised to minus 5 plus 5 0, and this one 5 raised to minus 2 plus 7 is 5 raised to 5. Okay, so now answer 3 raised to 0, it is 1, 2 raised to 0, it is 1, into 5 raised to 5, it is a big number, just will check, calculate that one, 5 raised to 5. Okay, so 5 raised to 5 will get it as answer, so that is 1 1 5 raised to 5. Okay, yes. So you know already 5 raised to 4 is 625. So we have to multiply again 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 3125. So it is, so 5 we are going to multiply 5 times here. Okay. So the answer comes 3125. So in this way you can simplify the answer. Okay, these are the little bit big questions. Yes, so in this way you can simplify and get the answer. So I hope you understood of laws of exponents and the sums based on the laws of exponents. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, and please subscribe